One mean hen just pecked my head. I got roosters fighting like it's WWE, and a fat ass chicken trying to hump my knee. I said, what the fuck, this ain't no farm, it's a goddamn zoo with southern charm. They cluck, they peck, they shit on the floor. One kicked my door and screamed, give me more. Clucking around, these chickens don't play, running this yard like it's Judgment Day. Feathers flying, swearing loud, goddamn birds acting way too proud. Clucking around, they don't give a cluck, middle claw up, screaming fuck your truck. Henhouse drama, it's a damn soap show. Karen the hen won't let it go. She clucked at Becky, called her a slut, then dropped an egg and kicked some butt. I said, holy shit, y'all need to chill, but they're doing chicken drugs up on the hill. One's got shades and a gold chain on, said I peck hard bitch from dusk till dawn. Clucking around, these chickens don't care, stealing my beer, wrecking my chair. Feathers flying, full of sass, got a bantam hen that'll whoop your ass. Clucking around, no clucking shame, they're running this place like it's GTA. They don't go buck, they say fuck you, tagging my barn with chicken crew. One moonwalked, flipped me the bird, I swear to fuck, it's the wildest I've heard. Clucking around, chaos in the coop, pecking my booth, throwing chicken poop. Feathers flying, barn and fire, I'm just the farmer, not the empire. Clucking around till the break of day, if I had the choice I'd still let them stay. Yeah, these foul-mouthed birds are rude as hell, but damn it, I love them, can't even tell why I put up with their rowdy flock. Guess I'm just clucking off the clock. I love them, can't even tell why I put up with their rowdy flock. Guess I'm just clucking off the clock.